What's up guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the best mini drone with 4000 camera. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. DJI Avata. Prepare to embark on a journey like never before with DJI Avata, your gateway to the exhilarating world of flight. From intuitive control to breathtaking imagery, Avata redefines the way you experience the skies. Let's delve into what makes Avata the ultimate flying companion for enthusiasts of all levels. Experience the thrill of flying. Immerse yourself in the thrill of flight with DJI Avata. When paired with the goggles and motion controller, flying becomes an intuitive and immersive experience. Total control is at your fingertips, opening up a world of possibilities for aerial exploration. Flight has never been easier. Say goodbye to complex controls. DJI Avata puts intuitive flight right in your hands. With the DJI motion controller, navigate the skies with a simple squeeze of the trigger or a flick of the wrist. Whether you're darting forward or maneuvering around obstacles, effortless flight is now within reach. Ultra smooth 4K footage. Capture every moment in stunning detail with Avata's upgraded camera system. No extra attachments are needed as Avata boasts a 1.7-inch sensor, 155 FOV, and flagship stabilization technology. From epic landscapes to action-packed adventures, every frame is a masterpiece. Palm-sized and agile, don't let its compact size fool you. Avata is built for agility. Its lightweight design allows for nimble maneuvers, whether you're flying through tight spaces or navigating dense foliage. Take it with you on any adventure and unlock new perspectives with ease. Be bold, fly far. With an impressive 18-minute flight time and upgraded safety features. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Introducing the DJI Mini 3 Pro, your passport to boundless creativity and exploration. With its feather-light weight of under 249 grams, this marvel doesn't just redefine portability, it unleashes a world of possibilities. Say goodbye to bureaucratic hassles thanks to its compact size and weight. The Mini 3 Pro exempts you from registration in most countries. Whether you're embarking on a spontaneous hike or a planned escapade, its foldable design ensures effortless portability. With a max ascent speed of 8 meters per second, it's ready to soar at your command. Seriously pro shots elevate your storytelling with breathtaking visuals. The Mini 3 Pro boasts a 4K, 60 FPS video capability and for 8MP photo resolution, ensuring every frame is a masterpiece. Dual native ISO and an f1.7 aperture empower you to capture stunning imagery, whether it's the brilliance of daylight or the intrigue of the night. Perfect portraits in a tap. Seize the moment with true vertical shooting, tailored for captivating portrait shots destined for social media stardom. The gimbal's 90-degree rotation ensures uncompromised image quality, allowing you to immortalize every angle with finesse. Sweet airtime. Extend your aerial adventures with an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Get ready to redefine the possibilities of aerial photography and videography with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This cutting-edge drone is engineered to deliver unparalleled imaging capabilities and flight performance, empowering creators to capture the world from breathtaking perspectives. Let's explore the features that make the Mavic 3 Pro a game-changer in the world of drone technology. Hasselblad main camera. Experience the pinnacle of imaging excellence with the Hasselblad main camera of the Mavic 3 Pro, featuring a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, and aperture range from f2.8 to f11. It ensures exceptional clarity and detail in every shot. With a resolution of 20MP and support for shooting raw photos with up to 12.8 stops of dynamic range, the Mavic 3 Pro sets a new standard for aerial photography. FAA Remote ID compliant. Stay compliant with aviation regulations with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, which adheres to the FAA Remote ID rule. Check the included compliance document for the user guide on remote ID, and visit the FAA's website for drone registration and remote ID requirements. Fly with confidence knowing that your drone meets regulatory standards. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing and a PUS 5.0. Navigate with peace of mind thanks to the omnidirectional obstacle sensing system of the Mavic 3 Pro. Equipped with 8 vision sensors and a PUS 5.0 technology, it detects obstacles in all directions, allowing you to fly safely and focus on unleashing your creativity without worrying about collisions. Extended flight time. Maximize your flight sessions with the Mavic 3 Pro's impressive 43-minute maximum flight time. Number for DJI Mini 3 in the ever-evolving world of aerial photography and videography. DJI continues to set the standard with its latest innovation, the DJI Mini 3, designed for adventurers, content creators, and professionals alike. The Mini 3 offers a compact and lightweight solution without compromising on performance, lightweight and compact design. Weighing under 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 is exceptionally portable, making it the perfect companion for all your adventures. Whether it's hiking through rugged terrain, embarking on road trips, or lounging on the beach. Its compact size ensures hassle-free transportation without compromising on performance. Extended flight time with Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. With the optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus available in select countries, users can extend the Mini 3's flight time up to an impressive 51 minutes. Number 5. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S sets a new benchmark in aerial photography and videography with its cutting-edge features and unparalleled performance. Equipped with a large 1-inch image sensor and large-to-point for micrometers pixels, the DJI Air 2S delivers stunning video quality at 4K, 30 fps, and 4K, 60 fps. This ensures breathtaking clarity and detail in every shot, whether you're capturing dynamic landscapes or fast-paced action scenes. Revolutionary Master Shots feature. Experience the next evolution of quick shots with Master Shots. This intelligent feature automatically captures the best shots in any location with just a tap, allowing you to focus on creativity without worrying about complex camera settings. Advanced Focus Track technology. The DJI Air 2S boasts Focus Track technology, including Spotlight 2.0, ActiviTrack 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0. These features make it effortless for the drone to follow or circle your subject, ensuring that they remain the center of attention in every shot. Exceptional color depth. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.